Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sajad. This podcast helps you learn English easily.
Hello! We are happy you are here. Today, we talk about introducing ourselves.
Please listen and enjoy. Hello, my name is Sajad. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Sajad. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
What do you do, Sarah?
I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. What do you do?
I am a programmer. I work with computers.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. I like programming. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like helping people.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital. And you?
I work from home.
Do you use English at work?
Yes, I use English every day. And you?
Yes, English is important for doctors.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and walking. What about you?
I like learning and making videos. Now listen again. The best way to learn is to listen and repeat. Hello, my name is Sajad. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Sajad. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
What do you do, Sarah?
I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. What do you do?
I am a programmer. I work with computers.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. I like programming. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like helping people.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital. And you?
I work from home.
Do you use English at work?
Yes, I use English every day. And you?
Yes, English is important for doctors.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and walking. What about you?
I like learning and making videos. Thank you for listening.
We hope you learned new English words.
Please subscribe to English with Sajad.
See you next time.
Bye.